Hi guys, if you're here, it means you're not missing a chance to learn something new in trading, and that makes me happy. Never pass up the opportunity to get better at what you do. You might not believe it, but thanks to this YouTube channel and my Telegram groups, I've become even more skilled in trading. It's one thing to just trade, but it's another to try to reach others how to do it. I've learned how to structure information and explain it in a clear and simple way. I invite you to see for yourself by joining my free trading Telegram community through the link in the description, where I regularly share useful trading insights. You won't regret it. And of course, watch this video to the end. My trading strategy will be very simple yet effective. Today in my trading strategy, I'm going to use the RSI indicator. First, let's configure it. We'll change a period to 10, which means the calculation will be based on 10 closed candles. We'll make the main line slightly thicker. We'll also customize the indicator's boundaries, setting them in white. In my opinion, that will be the optimal setup. Click Save. Right away, I see a signal and open a sell trade. What does RSI tell us? First and foremost, it shows us overbought and oversold zones. The 70 level for overbought and the 30 level for oversold. The middle line, the 50 level, also signals trend reversals. We see the indicator has crossed above the 70 boundary. Then a reversal occurred, and the chart is moving toward the midpoint. We support this trend. Along with the break of the 70 level, the chart is also crossing the 50 line. There will be small corrections, and we can bounce off these boundaries in the opposite direction. But even this movement is enough for the trade to close positively. Let's try to find another signal. There is a good signal here, but I suggest we wait a bit and open the trade in about 15 seconds. Regarding the lower boundary breakout, how does it work? Many traders without enough experience immediately try to open a trade in the opposite direction. That logic seems sound. We've entered the oversold zone and the chart should reverse. But in reality, that's not always the case. We look at the previous price ranges. We see that after breaking this boundary, the chart is unlikely to bounce right away. It needs to gain additional momentum and will aim for the previous minimum value. That previous low is right here. I've already opened the sell trade. After breaking that boundary, we follow the general direction, the overall trend. We're not afraid of that strong candle. The next one will likely be similar. We follow the overall trend rather than trading against the crowd. The second trade closes, so we search for the next opportunity. We focus on the RSI. It has approached the 50 level. There's also a clearly defined downtrend as shown by the lower highs and lower lows on the chart. If both the highs and lows are falling, the trend is bearish. We see the RSI changing direction. We can support this movement. We open a sell trade. The main idea is that we use 3 lines, 70, 50 and 30. When one of these levels is broken, the market direction is clear. We support the trend. We wait for the result. The trade closes negatively, but the signal remains valid. So, we use the loss compensation system. I wait for the candle to form and open another sell trade. Done. The trade is open. As it reaches a 50 boundary, the chart bounces back. We've seen this happen before. Here, and here. I'm confident it will happen again now. We wait and watch the result. The trade closes excellent. Let's keep going. Here the chart is reversing. It reached the 70 boundary and then dropped. I open a sell trade. I'm not focused on the RSI peak values. If the indicator has reached these levels before, it's likely we'll see a similar reaction now. It reached and bounced back. The general trend is downward and will likely continue. We wait for the result. The trade closes. Did you like this strategy? I really enjoy the RSI indicator and we will definitely prepare more videos using it. It works great in combination with other indicators, but I'll talk more about that in upcoming videos. Although if you don't want to wait, you can always message me directly using the link in the description. I'm always happy to offer advice to those who need it, of course. Moreover, I'm ready to personally teach you trading in my private group for free. But the group has limited space, so don't wait, send me a message. That's it from me. See you very soon in a new video on the Tony Trades channel.